In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a YouTube video on a Facebook page. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into the YouTube account that owns the video you want to share, and also that you're logged into Facebook with access to the page where you want it to appear. Start on YouTube by going to your YouTube dashboard. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon and choosing the option that takes you to your channel's content or videos. On this page, you'll see a list of your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to share on your Facebook page. On the right side of that video's row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu of options related to that video. From that menu, choose the option labeled Share. This will bring up a sharing window or panel. In the sharing window, you'll see a link to your video. Next to that link, there is a copy button. Click on copy. This copies the full video URL to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want without needing to type it out. Now switch over to Facebook. Go to the Facebook page where you want to share the video. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. It's usually in the left-hand menu or under the page's main cover area. Click on About to open the details for your page. Within the About section, look for a subsection called Links and click on it. This is where you can add external links that are related to your page. Inside Links, find the category labeled Websites, Blogs, Portfolios, and select it. This category is where you'll be adding your YouTube video link so visitors can easily find it. You'll now see a field where you can type in a link description. In this box, write a short, clear description of the video, such as what it's about or why it's useful. This helps people understand what they're clicking on. Just below the description field, there is another field for the URL. Click into that box and paste the YouTube video link you copied earlier. Finally, once both the description and the URL look good, click on Save. Your YouTube video is now shared on your Facebook page and will be visible in your page's links section.